Hey guys, Shane Atkinson with Moix RV. I just wanted to hop on and say hope everyone had fun at the Gulf Shores at the Camp Moix. Hope everyone also made it home or to their next destination, wherever that was. We just wanted to hop on and draw a winner for the Photo Scavenger Hunt. We had 7 teams complete the Photo Scavenger Hunt, so because we had 7 people, we're going to draw a name out of the cup real quick. So real quick, the winner is the Bentz Insight 103. So congratulations guys, you can come by the store, grab your $25 George Bucks gift card. We also wanted to announce the winner for the virtual trivia night, and that was Struggle Bus. They got a total of 30 out of 30 questions. So congratulations and awesome job at that. You can also swing by the store and get your $25 George Bucks as well.